Yo, what's going on, everybody? I'm doing a video on the 2016 Kia Soul for the air intake assembly. About to put this thing together. It was in an accident, so I'm about to get started. Alright, so this will be the first part we'll be working with. It goes on the very bottom, should be in this position on the vehicle. So going over, it'll be right here. We have one hole here and one hole here. And these 3 screws right here is what we'll be working with, and there will be one underneath this frame right here. Let's see, go up under there, and let's see, right there, the smaller hole. All right, so you need a 10mm socket to tighten up these screws. So you had the one at the bottom down there, then you got this one, and going over to the right side, that one right there. All right, so we got the bottom piece on. Now we'll be working with this section here, and that will be this one, this piece right here. All right, and you just pretty much insert it there on the top of that, and it should come up to the top right here. Well, after putting it on and then working with this one, looks like we got to take this other one back out. So we're gonna just pull this up out of here. All right, so the old one was damaged, so I'm taking this bolt out or screw out here and up here on the battery tray, and then this is the other one I'm putting on. So you got the rubber boot here, you can leave that on there, and also on this part as well. All right, so we want to insert this piece in here, and everything should line up. We got that hole there, and this one up here by the battery, on the battery tray. Put these 2 bolts in there, 1, 2. Now this is the part where we want to insert this piece here. Down there at the bottom, make sure it fits in there. Okay. So it should line up perfectly. And since we have this open like this, might as well go ahead and drop our new air filter in there. There it is. Okay. And then this is the top section. See, it should go in these slots here, and that should line up. There we go. Yeah, I'm holding my phone as well, recording this. Then you put your latches on here. And don't forget to tighten this down to where it can be just snug on there so it won't move. And then you put your plastic clips in here to get that on there, and it's pretty much how you put together this whole air intake assembly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.